Tucked along the coast between Cancun and Puerto Morelos, the Haven Riviera Cancun is one of those adults-only, all-inclusive resorts that quietly earns its 5 stars without shouting about it. Owned and operated by Haven Resorts and Spa, this property has built up a strong reputation with travelers on Booking, Expedia and Tripadvisor, scoring in the low 9s on the big platforms and pulling in thousands of positive reviews. It sits about 13 kilometers from the Cancun International Airport, so guests can be sipping a cold drink poolside not long after their plane touches down. What follows is a full walkthrough of what this resort actually offers, from the rooms and restaurants to the spa, the beach, and everything in between. Starting with the rooms, the Haven Riviera Cancun keeps things simple by focusing on suites rather than tiny standard rooms. The entry-level option is the Junior Suite Partial Ocean View, which comes in at a generous 47 square meters and sleeps 2 guests comfortably. Travelers can pick between a king-size bed or 2 queens, which gives couples and friends traveling together some flexibility. Each of these suites includes a private furnished balcony or terrace, an in-room whirlpool tub, a rain shower, a daily restocked minibar, an in-room safe, a coffee maker, a flat-screen television, air conditioning, and Wi-Fi. It is the kind of setup where you could realistically hide out for a full afternoon and never feel like you were missing anything. The partial ocean view is exactly what it sounds like, so guests get a slice of that Caribbean blue without paying top dollar for a full oceanfront window. Moving up the ladder, the Junior Suite Swim-Out Garden View offers direct swim-out access to a pool right from the terrace, which is a real treat for anyone who likes the idea of stepping out of bed and into the water. These rooms include a king-size bed, a furnished terrace with chaise lounges, the same whirlpool tub and rain shower combination, and all the standard tech and minibar perks. At the top of the range sits the Serenity Club Oceanfront Junior Suite, coming in at 52 square meters with a full oceanfront view and a private balcony that includes its own whirlpool tub. Serenity Club guests also get lounge access, butler service, an upgraded minibar, premium bath amenities, and a private check-in area, which is a nice way to skip the main lobby shuffle after a long travel day. The resort is adults only, so there are no dedicated family bunk rooms, but the layout and range of suites give couples and small groups plenty of choice. When it comes to food, the resort leans into variety with at least 6 restaurants and multiple bars, all included in the all-inclusive package. Flavors is the international buffet where most guests start their morning, offering a spread that ranges from breakfast classics to global dishes throughout the day. Agua Bendita is the Mexican steakhouse, which pairs local flavors with grilled cuts for a more upscale sit-down experience. Olio's covers the Mediterranean and Italian side of things, so guests craving pasta or a lighter olive oil-driven plate have a home base. Satsu handles the Asian and Japanese cravings, which usually means sushi, teppanyaki-style offerings, and other Pacific-inspired bites. Tahani rounds out the international lineup with a fusion menu, and Vora Mar takes on seafood and coastal cuisine, which makes plenty of sense given the Caribbean is basically in the backyard. The bar scene at Haven Riviera Cancun is equally well stocked, with lounges and poolside spots serving everything from cocktails to premium spirits and local beers. Reviewers on Booking and Tripadvisor consistently mention the quality of the food as a highlight, which is not always the case at all-inclusive resorts where quantity sometimes wins out over quality. One traveler on TripAdvisor noted that even the buffet and snack bars turned out delicious plates, which is a good sign for anyone who has been burned by lukewarm resort food in the past. The evening bar experience tends to blend into the entertainment program, with live music and shows drawing guests out of their rooms after dinner. It is not a wild party scene, but there is enough happening to keep things lively without feeling forced. The pool and beach setup is one of the resort's calling cards. Haven Riviera Cancun features multiple outdoor pools spread across the property, including the swim-out pools that connect directly to certain suites. Loungers are plentiful, and guests can usually find a shady spot or a sunny stretch depending on their mood. Booking and TripAdvisor reviewers repeatedly call the pools fantastic, and even guests who had mixed feelings about the beach still gave the pools high marks. Between the main pool, the quieter adult-focused sections, and the swim-out access options, there is a good amount of choice for how you want to spend your day in the water. The beach itself is a bit more of a mixed bag depending on when you visit and what you are expecting. The resort has a private beach area with soft sand, but several reviewers have mentioned that the sand is not as bright white as some other stretches of the Cancun coastline, and seaweed can show up depending on the season. One TripAdvisor guest described the seaweed as easy to step over, while another booking reviewer noted that swimming every day was not really the vibe because of it. That said, the beach is still a beautiful place to walk, sunbathe, or take pictures, and the resort staff do put in effort to keep things tidy. For guests who prioritize the pool life, this is basically a non-issue, and for those who love long beach walks, there is still plenty to enjoy. On the activities side, Haven Riviera Cancun keeps a solid daytime and evening program running through its entertainment staff. Guests can jump into pool games, group fitness sessions, dance classes, and other social activities that give the days a bit of rhythm without being over the top. The fitness center is on site for anyone who wants to keep up with a workout routine, and it is well equipped for a resort of this size. Reviewers on Booking specifically called out the variety of activities as a real plus, with one guest saying the program added good variety to the days. Whether guests want to be involved or just watch from a lounger with a drink in hand, there is a comfortable middle ground. Beyond the organized activities, the resort's location on the Riviera Maya opens the door to a wide range of outside adventures. Guests can arrange snorkeling and diving trips to the nearby reef systems, since Puerto Morelos is famous for its protected marine park just a short drive away. Catamaran rides, deep-sea fishing, and eco-park visits are all within easy booking distance, and the concierge team can help sort out excursions. For those who prefer to stay on-site, there are shops and boutiques on the property for a bit of browsing between meals. It is the kind of place where guests can be as busy or as lazy as they choose to be. The Serenity Spa is a genuine highlight for anyone who considers relaxation the main point of a vacation. It is a full-service spa offering a range of treatments, from massages and body wraps to facials and specialty therapies. Reviewers on Expedia have specifically mentioned indulging in the spa as one of the best parts of their stay, which suggests the treatments live up to the setting. The overall wellness vibe of the resort extends beyond the treatment rooms, with the peaceful adults-only atmosphere doing half the work of unwinding before guests even step foot in the spa. For couples looking to book side-by-side treatments or solo travelers who want a proper reset, the spa delivers. Wellness at Haven Riviera Cancun also ties into the fitness center and the general environment of the property. Guests who want to keep up with cardio or strength training can do so without breaking their routine, and morning group activities often include gentle stretch or fitness sessions. Gardens and landscaped grounds add another layer of calm, and simply walking the property can feel like a light wellness activity in itself. There is no heavy detox or medical wellness program on offer, but the combination of spa treatments, healthy food options at the restaurants, and the peaceful atmosphere gives guests plenty of tools to leave feeling refreshed. It is a resort that leans more toward gentle self-care than intense wellness retreat. For nearby attractions, the resort's location gives guests a good balance of quiet seclusion and access to the wider region. Cancun International Airport is only about 13 kilometers away, which makes arrivals and departures painless. Puerto Morelos Town Center sits roughly 18 kilometers down the road and is worth a visit for its laid-back fishing village atmosphere, small restaurants, artisan shops, and the famous Leaning Lighthouse. Puerto Morelos Beach, at about the same distance, offers a more traditional Mexican beach town feel for guests who want to compare it to the resort's private stretch. The Ixchel Jungle Spa in Puerto Morelos is another interesting option about 19 kilometers away for a different kind of spa experience rooted in traditional practices. Guests looking to explore further can head north into the Cancun Hotel Zone or venture into the northern beach areas around 20 kilometers away for more nightlife, shopping malls, and dining outside the resort. The location is admittedly a bit remote when it comes to walking off-property, and one Expedia reviewer specifically pointed out that there are limited options within walking distance. That is not really a knock on the resort so much as a reflection of its setting, since the whole point is a peaceful, secluded getaway rather than an urban hotel experience. For guests who want to explore, taxis and organized excursions handle the gap easily. Taking a balanced look at the overall experience, Haven Riviera Cancun earns its strong scores through consistent quality across the areas that matter most. Cleanliness and comfort routinely score around 9.5 on Booking, staff service pulls a 9.4, and facilities land at 9.3. The food gets high marks across platforms, the pools are widely praised, and the Serenity Club upgrade seems to genuinely deliver added value for guests who go that route. On the weaker side, the beach can be inconsistent because of seasonal seaweed. The location feels isolated for anyone hoping to walk to nightlife or local restaurants, and value for money scores slightly lower at 8.8, suggesting some guests feel the price tag is on the higher side. Some reviewers, particularly early on, mentioned that certain areas felt a little unfinished, though follow-up visits confirmed that most issues had been resolved and service had improved. Evening entertainment gets solid but not overwhelming reviews, with one guest wishing for more diverse shows. Overall, it is a resort that clearly aims for a refined, calm, adults-only experience rather than trying to be all things to all people, and it delivers on that promise for most guests. Anyone expecting a wild party scene or a walkable town nearby will likely be disappointed, but that is not the audience Haven is chasing. What really sets Haven Riviera Cancun apart is the combination of suite-only accommodations, the Serenity Club upgrade tier with genuine butler service, and the strong food program across 6 distinct restaurants. The swim-out suites give the property an edge for guests who love that direct-access pool experience, and the whirlpool tubs in every room add a small touch of luxury that shows up across every price tier. The adults-only, all-inclusive format keeps the atmosphere calm and consistent, which is a real draw for couples, honeymooners, and small groups of friends. Being close to the airport without feeling like an airport hotel is another quiet win since it maximizes actual vacation time. On the events and conference side, the resort is described as being able to accommodate business travelers and small events, though its main identity is clearly built around leisure. It could work well for smaller destination weddings, anniversary celebrations, or intimate corporate retreats where the goal is to combine business with genuine downtime. The suite accommodations and private dining venues give planners flexibility, and the on-site spa and pool amenities make it easy to build in group experiences. The guest experience highlights come through clearly in the reviews. Staff attentiveness is mentioned again and again, with travelers praising how well-trained, polite, and warm the team members are. One booking guest called out how kind and attentive the staff were, while an Expedia traveler said the room was always clean and the property beautiful. The Serenity Club butler service, the swim-out suites, and the little details like daily restocked minibars and premium bath amenities add up to a stay that feels considered and personal. For couples and solo travelers looking for a calm, well-run, adults-only escape near Cancun, Haven Riviera Cancun makes a strong, genuinely enjoyable Cypriot escape that punches well above its weight. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.